I want you to notice how this guy is responding to the shepherd's fear. He's not an aggressive dog himself, but he's responding to the fear of this German shepherd, which is causing him to become emboldened. Now, what that can do is draw attention to the other dogs to react to his fear also. And so I'm going to step in and stop that. Hey! Hey! You can hear the dogs in the back. They hear him barking like that, and they are attracted to it. You hear the barking in the distance here? Yeah, they were responding to that. And so I stop it. And they'll stop momentarily. If you notice, the hair of the dogs are not up. This hair on this guy is not up. When he first came in, I thought he had a mohawk cut. But look at it now, smooth. He looks like a fade now. Yeah. The body language of everybody is fine. This guy, we're waiting to see if his personality changes. We did some herbs for him to see if we can tone him down a bit. Let's see what happens. It's only been on it for a few days. We'll continue.